Tell what your YouTube.
What up, YouTube? My name is Go TV. Y'all gotta go subscribe.
My little bro, that dude taller than me, man. He
Y'all
finna drive the scat, man. He finna drive the Scatpack.
Hey, make sure y'all stay tuned. Hey, the video gonna be on my channel at. Y'all go follow me on Instagram at the Goat, and y'all go subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Go TV. I will be posting
his
this
YouTube link gonna be in the description. All right, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe, man.
Y'all already know. Y'all know what's finna go on.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned. My 15-year-old brother finna drive the car, right? Told him I was gonna let him drive it. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Seatbelt on? Seatbelt. Your seatbelt not on? Oh, alright. Alright, no recording and driving. I got you. Turn. Alright, turn the car, come to the you stopping here?
Yeah.
No, you can get on the street. Come on. Turn on the street. You good? You ain't gonna swing. Come on, turn. Well, that thing said low. Uh-oh. Get to the side. Don't go in the ditch now.
I know, bro.
I would let you mash it.
Huh?
So I would let you mash it. That little boy need to get out the way.
Hey, get out the way, bro.
Hey.
Oh yeah, y'all. We finna try to do that radio.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you come on. Come on. Big T92, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right.
I'm finna bad.
You want to mash it?
I'm a bad.
Hold on. Not over there. Turn around.
Y'all wanna come on?
Come turn over here. Yeah. Watch back. Don't get in the road. Don't crash, bro.
Alright.
Mash that bit. You gotta get out. Get like. Don't crash, Devon. All right, come on, get over here. And then a mash it right quick. Come on. You scared? Huh?
She knows.
All right, so mash it. Don't crash. Don't crash my shit. Go. Go. All right, slow down. Oh, shit. Come on. Hit that bit. Hit it. All right, hold on, whoa. Don't crash, Devon, all right? I'm gonna go to the end, all right? When you pass by me, hit your brakes, all right? I can't believe this dude drive my car. Come on. Ooh. All right, turn around. Get straight. Yeah, so how you like the scat so far, man?
Hey,
You good. How you like the scat so far,
Hey,
man?
to be honest, like, look, launched it, it's like I felt it spin, like, but it didn't spin, but I feel like the traction go off.
Yeah.
Like,
I don't know if they got cops, so we'll tell you the fucking. You going this way?
Yeah.
You going right or left?
This way.
Right?
Yeah.
You good, right? Yeah. They be having cars back here, so it's true. How it feel though?
Man, it feel good. Like, I swear to God, like, son, it's like, bro, I got scared, but I got so used to it because
You got the traction on, so you good though.
yeah, but like, son, it be
Yeah, watch out for this car that's coming up. Stay to the side. Yeah, don't get too close to the side now. You good? Just stay on your side of the road. Yeah.
So?
Where you gonna make a left here?
I'm gonna go straight.
Watch out for the debris on the side. You don't want to scratch the car, bro. Damn, you too close on the side of the road, Devon.
Oh, well, you stop at the stop sign.
You good? He gotta stop. You good?
I'm loving this car already,
Oh,
son.
no, let's see something right quick.
Crazy.
Let's see something right quick.
Oh man, Nick. Oh Lord,
Hold
Nick.
on. What you doing? You good?
I'm good.
Calm down, Nick. Calm down, man. Turn. Make sure ain't no cops back here. Got nobody back here. You sure? If you scared, you ain't gotta do it.
I'm gonna do it.
All right, stop. You gotta stop. You sure?
I'm sure.
You feel like you want to slide? It's throwing brakes. Hold on. Get out the gas. You sure?
Oh man, Nick.
All right, smash it. Mess it. All right. Oh shit.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, you
First
good.
time on check mode.
Yeah.
Man, we got the spinning.
It was spinning, boy.
Man, if they got the
You
spinning.
good? You gonna be good when you get your RT.
Oh yeah, man.
Shit,
Man, this is my first time.
You done dabbed and you already tall and shit. I'm a short dude.
Man, you're talking, so you be pointing in mine too.
Boy, and talking to you, bro. He roaring.
Man, what up, boy?
Yeah, we gonna go to Villa Del Rey and shit.
Bitch.
Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I told y'all I'm coming with the content. I've been gone for a minute. You going left or
Yeah.
right? Left?
Yeah.
You clear right. You braking hard. Them Brembos, they bite, huh? You gonna go straight.
Yeah.
You clear right. You can go. Mash it, baby. Mash it. That shit popping, boy.
You made it be Let it be the secret, man. I swear to God.
You got the bridge right there. Hold on. You gotta yield. You got a bridge over there? You can't go that way. You dead end. You gotta go straight. Bit loud.
Man, I swear to God, son.
What the MPG is? 16? 17.2?
Yeah, 17 points.
Finna be 50. This street block, or we can go to.
We can go that way.
Good. Watch out for the car. You always gotta be aware of your surroundings before you do shit like this, alright?
Alright.
You could have easily swerved into that car or the trash can, alright?
Alright.
Always make sure you got a clear area before you do something. I'd rather you go in the ditch and fuck the front up than you hit somebody's car, alright?
Real talk.
Always make sure you clear, alright?
Alright.
That's how people be fucking up at car meet, trying to slide in small areas. Cause these fucking cars will spin. You clear enough? I wouldn't recommend you to pull over here. They be having police over here at this little place.
I really pull on the street though, like
Hey,
that's
you good.
crazy.
You good? You ain't gotta get to the side. You good? Stay on your side of the road. You going left?
Yep.
Hold on. I'm to the police out.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day tomorrow, bro. You good? You too? We don't need no car wash. Wash it already. What turn you gonna take?
I'm gonna take on the school turn.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't speed over here. We're gonna go to the drill, that parking lot, that's where we're gonna switch, alright?
Gonna switch?
We're gonna switch, we're gonna warn what you coming.
Oh.
I'm gonna let you drive some more shit. Maybe when traffic ain't that bad, you can drive on the street.
I don't want to drive on the street right now.
You good. It's the same as driving any other car. You ready to push that bit? Yeah, let him go. Yeah. good. So you can't turn. You good. Feel that power? Yeah, you'll be able to turn slow. You good? Hit the gas. Gas it. YouTube, we're gonna park right here. How they going to stop the car? And the dash cam got your content too. When you was in the car, yup. So you got that content too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You can leave the car on. Put it in park, you can leave it on. Alright, YouTube, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. That's Woe right there, man. It's the total. I'm gonna let him drive the car. You know what I'm saying? How was it, bro?
Man, hey, that shit was fun as fuck, bro. This damn car. Bro, it's like it feels different when I'm punching, man. It's like, I just don't know.
Yeah, man, we gotta put that YouTube content together.
I want done for some more, bro.
You gonna get your time, bro. You gonna get more time. We'll catch y'all on the next. Stop, you gotta stop. You sure?
I'm sure.
You feel like you wanna slide, it's throwing brakes. Hold on, get out the gas. You sure?
Oh, man, Nick.
Alright, smash it. Mess it. Alright, oh shit.
Oh, Lord.
Hey,
First time on check mode.
Man,
we got the spinning.
it was spinning, boy.
Man, this thing got the
You
spinning.
good. You gonna be good when you get your RT.
Oh, yeah, man.
Shit,
Man, this is my first time.
You done dabbed and you already tall and shit. I'm gonna show them dude.
Man, you done talk, so you been pointing mine too.
Boy, and talking to you, bro, he roaring.
Man, what up, boy?
Yeah, we gonna go to Villa there and shit.
Big.
Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I told y'all I'm coming with the content. I've been gone for a minute. You going left or right? Left?
Yeah.
You clear right.